Have you been wondering how to add cards to your video? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step way of adding cards to your video. Now, let me tell you, it's good to do it when you're uploading the video. Okay, what if you didn't know how to do it then? What happens? No, 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 no. There's a second chance. Do you know that you can add cards to your video any day, anytime? And you can also remove the one you want to remove. You know, what will cards do for you? Cards will help your viewers stay glued to your channel. It can also increase your watch hour. Ads can give you more subscribers. Cards can give you way more than what you think. If you want more subscribers, more watch hour, more fans, if you want to grow on YouTube, you need cards. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add cards to your video, and then I'm going to give you a bonus if you stay till the end. So if you're going to stay till the end, I'm going to give you a bonus. Okay, so it's going to be very brief, very easy. You need to do it, you need to know it. All right, so let's meet at the other side so that I can show you everything you need. All right, let's head over to the browser, Chrome browser. Okay, click on it, and then the next is to type in studio.youtube.com. Yeah, it's there, and then you click on it. If you have been opening it, you will see the login. So you click on login. Look at the login here. You click on login, and then the desktop version of the YouTube will open up to you. And when you get there, you're going to click on content. Yes, when the content opens, you select the particular content you want to add your cards on. Yeah, so let's do that. So once that is done, you select the video you want. Now, it doesn't really matter if you have added a card before or not, be it an old video, new video. If you have or not, you can always change or add new one afresh. All right, so let me select a particular video. I want to select an old video that I know will not have cards in it. So we start with that. So I pick a video here. So you pick any video of your choice. When it has opened up, you go to your right, the down right, and click on the card. The card is the very last tool here, as you can see. You click on your card, and then it will open up the card's interface. When that is done, you go over to the right. Let's wait for it to open up. Okay, it's opening. It has opened up now. Yes, this is the video I want to add the cards. And now look at down here. Look at this very tiny line here. And then you are seeing time here, different time in the beginning. There are different times there. So if you click on this tiny line here, that's you placing the line on the particular time you want. So if it's not this one, you can move to any. We have about 4 or 5 different times there, but this line will guide you. Click on it, then you go up to the left to click on the cards editor. There you see elements. Make sure you click on the time first, because at different times you have different cards. So click on the particular space or spot you want your card to be first, or the first card to be. It can be at the beginning, the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth, or the sixth. Right, when you have done that, you come up here to the card, then click on it. The elements you will see, when you click on the element, you see video, playlist, channel link, and all that. Then you want to click on video first. When you click on the video, your videos will show. You will pick one. Now look at this first line. You can see a thick patch there. That means you have chosen one. You go to the next one. When you click on it, this tiny line will go to the next line. Just click on the particular time, maybe the second one you want. You see that the tiny line will come over here. That's to show that that's the next space. As you can see, it has moved. Now that's the next space you want to add the next card. When you have done that, you go back to your elements and click. Do you still want to add a video or playlist, whatever you want? Let's say we still want to add another video. Right, the line is there waiting for you. Go back to the element, click on video so that the video interface will open up again, and you choose your video. Yeah, so the videos are here. Pick any one of your choice. Let's pick one. Once you click on the video, you have selected it. So now just take a look at the second line. Now can you see that thick parts at the middle? That's to show that you have chosen yet another video. Whatever you want, once you have chosen it, you will see that thick line at the middle. So now we want to place a video on the next time stamp there. Now can you see that the line has come here again? When you are done this, you go back to your your top right again, where the cards element is. You click on it again. This time, okay, let's just add playlist. Okay, so I click on it. I have video, playlist, channel, then links. I'm clicking on playlist so I can at least have added two videos. Let's also add a playlist. Now you can see the list of my playlist here. I pick one. Just by clicking on it, you have chosen one. Now if you can count, I have 1, 2, 3 cards already in the video. This video had no card, so I can go on and on like that. If I want to add another playlist, I'm free. If I have another channel or link I want to add to, I have about 2 or 3 more chances to add more. And I do the same thing. Go back to the card elements, click on either playlist, video, whatever you want. It will open up, and then you select it again. So now already here I now have 4 different cards I've added. I still have one more chance on 2. So you are free to add whatever you want to add. Do not leave your video empty without cards. Cards can take your viewers to another of your video or your channel link, whatever you want. Okay, let's assume that I want to delete any of the cards. You just to click on it, touch it. You see this bin icons. Once you click on it and you delete it, it's gone. And then the next you're going to do is to save it. Just like you have added it, if you don't want it, you can click on it. You will see the bin icon showing there. And then you just want to click on it, and then it's deleted. It's as easy as that. But remember, whatever you do, once you are done with everything, you still need to click on the save. So our cards are ready. Okay, I promised to give a bonus, so I just want to touch end screens again, in case you don't know or in case you have forgotten. Now this video already has an end screen. So let's say I don't want this end screen again. I can delete it and replace it. I can delete it anytime. So just to click on it, it will highlight it. Once you click on it, you will see the dustbin and you delete it. That's all. So I want to replace it now. It's just for me to we're already on the end screen editor. It's just for me to go click on the elements and choose what do I want. Do I want playlist, video, channel, link, whatever I want? I just click on it. Okay, let's say I want video. Under video, we have 3 options: most recent, best for viewers. The last one is video of your choice. I like to click on video of my choice. All right, so that's the third one. You click on that video of your choice. All your videos will pop up for you to make your choice. And then once you've done that, that's that. So remember, you can add 2 videos, 1 channel link, or you can add just one video or just one playlist, but ensure that you have your subscribe there, especially if you are in new channel. So now I've added two end screen, so you can play around with these things. All right, hope this was valuable to you. Then once you are done, you adjust, drag and adjust, ensure your face is not covered, and that's it. I hope you found value in this video. I hope you learned something, and I hope you are going to implement everything you have learned. So see you in my next video. Bye for now.